Oh shit, what happened? Took your shit on him.
Out, get out, it's on fire, everything's fire.
Oh shit. Oh,
Half an hour away.
Stay down, hey guys, stay down.
why the fuck are you? Oh, you took it in the wrong direction.
Oh shit, go get it! She's down? Do you have a TQ?
Yeah.
Go back across.
It's in my bag.
Oh, where is it?
It's in my pouch. It's the only thing in that pouch. I'm gonna move.
Hey, can I just toss you the TQ?
Yeah, just throw it.
No!
Well, shit. I'm only put the little guy in there.
Yeah, get in there, boy! Move back.
Oh, they're going right up here. Alright, boys, we're going to the front end. This is the goon spot. Oh, shit.
Yo, comfy!
Is that a goddamn Ford? She'll take it.
Am I gonna
Hey,
back
I
up?
got a little mortar hole.
I gotta back up.
No, guys, back up.
I can't.
No? Alright.
Alright, we're doing it.
Alright, we're good!
Go.
Woo!
That's a goddamn Ford right there.
I'm trying to move over for you, buddy.
Oh, you don't want to oh, there you go, Doc. Peace, Dan.
Hey, imagine if we actually had Humvees outfit all of us in our gear.
Are we there yet?
It's so hot.
Oh shit, what happened? Took your shit on him.
Out, get out, it's on fire, everything's fire.
Oh shit. Oh, it actually is. Holy shit.
Cobra!
That is what I call cook. Hey, I got another one of these. Is
Is it on fire?
There's a junker like half an hour away.
Alright, push this son of a bitch out of the way so the other trucks can get there.
We're gonna have to reverse.
Get it on, get it in neutral, get it out of the way. Alright, let's go. Put that fucker in neutral.
That's hot as shit.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's all.
Yeah, she blew.
If the radiator exploded, it's probably exceeding like 150 degrees.
A bunch of shit leaking.
Well, yeah, just grab the sides and shit.
Let's go. Push.
Push.
Go.
Yeah, it ain't moving.
Is she in neutral?
Off the brake.
Wait.
Got the key on? You got it in the out position? Turn the key on.
There we go. I'm gonna try to.
Let's go, push, pull, whatever. God, I love being on.
Are we there yet? Radiator.
I love being on Cobra. Hey, you have a little more, or here, whatever.
Good.
That was so anticlimactic. Yeah, I turn around, it's all smoking. I'm like, it's on fire, get out.
Yeah, we got a Humvee moving up the road. On the left.
A-firm, stay in the woods to the right. Heli to our left up. Hey, cross again. Stay down. Hey guys, stay down.
There's none in the left.
Hey, that's right side. That's right side.
Where?
Hey, we got a Cobra vehicle behind it. Yes, good kill, good kill.
Did we disable it?
We killed it. We hit 2 grenades on it.
Go. Good job, team.
Be careful.
Yeah. These in custody.
All right, continue onwards.
Let's go, move up.
Advance! Let's go!
Or are we gonna attack? Okay, let's go, guys. Get down, get down! Hey, watch your foot. Yep. Get to the blue truck. No, just pull back. Get out of here. Withdraw.
Down, I got. Oh, you got yours? All right.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Can you res him?
Yeah.
Hey, get a res on Kellen.
Am I good?
Yeah. Oh shit. Get a res on Kellen, can you?
I don't have a tourniquet.
Where's your TQ?
It's in my pocket. Put it on the tacker and then run.
Fuck, come on.
Just back right and go. Alright, go.
Oh!
Clutch medic right here. So is anyone technically a medic?
Yeah, we're all medics.
Yep.
I just want to try one thing real quick. Can you hold this gun?
No.
Let him be free, man. He's a free man. I knew it was gonna happen.
I tried.
Alright, let's head back.
Worst case scenario, we all fucking
You're one.
Yeah.
Hey Tom.
Yeah?
We're gonna do ghost drop off. Hey, let's do ghost drop off right here.
Ghost drop.
I'm gonna stay in here and I'm gonna inform you where they are.
Alright.
Does that sound good? Alright.
Oh, no,
You can stay. You stay.
I'll say, yeah, we're gonna move up.
Alright, make sure you lock that back.
Lock that back and follow us.
We good?
Solid.
Yeah, we're good. Alright, be on the lookout too for any planners.
I'm gonna inform you. Okay?
Sure we shoot that end up here.
Yeah, I was about to say, what about that dead end up there?
It is a dead end?
Yeah. Truck can't make it through it.
Can you just keep going?
I can't really go much further.
Oh, okay.
There's an RC right here. I'm gonna have to reverse it
Fuck.
halfway down the trail.
Alright, let's get out then. Whatever, we'll take it from here. Thanks. This is it for the truck. We're going on foot. Bro. I know, right? Oh, my foot. My foot's stuck.
There it goes. Thanks, Alex.
Jake, what's your location? Oh, I see them all. Go right. Sad. Last time I listened to them.
You guys didn't find shit over there?
Copter pad. Then you got the tree line there. Just behind that tree line's their base.
Is that the second tree line?
Yeah.
No, that's the first, second, the third.
Third tree line?
How many guys we got?
Push for the flag. You want to
You guys, I mean, we could kind of go wide if you think.
I'm thinking going wide, then spread out, and hit it from both sides.
Yeah, yeah.
We're not going to be able to know who's in that wood area.
No, like just go wide and spread out and then attack the woods. So we're not all clumped up.
Take over the wood.
Yeah, take over.
Humvee, get down.
Alright, gotta go.
Hey, no, just go this way. Just go this way. It's on that tree.
Hey,
Oh, helicopter.
Get down. Man, lucky you, boy. That is the scariest shit ever. And I'm pretty sure it was a tan. Clear. Sniper takes one of us out. Hey, we should spread out more. Yeah, we're too clumped up. Clumps up still. Y'all scared the shit out of me. So we're gonna hit this tree line to the right.
Those are cans. Look, contact.
No, that's way out of range. Yo, sniper, can you hit? Hey, let's push woods. Heli's down. Push woods. Push woods. Heli's down. They can't cut us across the field. IT, push woods. Fuck. Stay spread. Stay spread. Oh, it's tiring.
John, far down that doorway so I got this.
Hey, let me get an angle. Got him, he's down. They're assaulting us. Guys, fallback point is out of the woods in that way.
Huh?
Fallback point is out of the woods that way.
Are we falling back or not yet?
No, we're gonna hold.
I mean, this is the only assault we have. Everybody else.
No, there's still.
But they don't know about us, so everyone get dug in.
Yeah, I don't trust it.
We lost like half our squad already. Contact right. Let's get out of this shit. I don't like this at all. Withdraw.
Fall back.
Hey, let's counter them. Let's counter them. Foxtrot Romeo. Foxtrot Romeo. Hey, retreat, retreat.
Okay, good.
I heard frag out, dude. Hit!
Oh, that's allies.
Awesome! Let's hit this thing up. Go, Kellen.
What are you throwing?
Go, Kellen.
Why the f are you? Oh, you threw it in the wrong direction.
Oh shit, go get it! Yo, fire!
Fire! Wait, I got it. Oh shit! Thank you, fucking monkey!
What?
Shoot it! Stop it until the embers are gone. Lock off lights on fire, it's all y'all's fault. No,
What?
get some dirt. Kick dirt on it. Get some dirt on it.
Hey, at least it's working, bro.
Bro, it's a smoke grenade.
It was on fire. It was on fire.
Dude, I hear all fire. I was like, what the shit? I thought like we were getting shot at.
Stop throwing them! You lost your privileges!
What do you mean? I bought him, cunt.
That's what I thought.
What? You thought I was gonna blow it?
Huh? Well, because I shot you twice, then you shot me, so. Yeah. Yeah. Dude, that scares me sometimes. It is so dark, god damn. Yeah, I'm right next to you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, hi.